good to know. I don't know what that noise is. Shit. I really have no idea what that is.